The AI features prompts that stay inside your tenant, provenance on every drafted row. The human signs off. End of Friday, hours haven't been entered. Click AI Fill Week. The agent reads your Microsoft 365 calendar and recent project history, then drafts a full week of time entries. Every AI drafted entry shows up in yellow. The reasoning is one click away. This hour came from a meeting titled Meridian Field Office Review. You accept the ones you want and reject the rest. The model never submits for you. The classifier flags entries that look billable but were not marked, and the reverse. Confidence and reasoning are stored per row. Before Priya sends an invoice, the AI reads every line. Vague descriptions, missing context, task lists instead of outcomes. She gets a punch list of edits before the PDF goes out. The ZDR pill in the top bar is not decoration. Every AI call routes through Azure AI Foundry's Anthropic endpoint with zero retention. Prompts are not stored by the provider. Settings, agent audit. Every model call, every tool invocation, the context that went in, and the result that came out. SOC2 auditors don't take your word for it. That's the AI. Last section covers help, support, and where to dig when something breaks.